In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block people from sending you email in Outlook. If you're getting unwanted messages from a sender and you want to stop seeing emails from them in your inbox, Outlook gives you a quick way to report and block that sender at the same time. This is useful not only for spam, but also for repeated unwanted messages that you no longer want to deal with. To begin, open Outlook and go to your email inbox. Make sure you're on the main mail screen where you can see your list of incoming messages. This is where you'll be able to select the sender you want to block. Once you're in your inbox, find an email from the person or sender you would like to block. Instead of opening the email, click the checkbox next to that message. Selecting the message this way is important because it activates the actions you can use from the top toolbar. If you don't see the checkbox right away, just move your cursor over the message area and it should appear. After selecting the email, go to the top row of options and click on Report. This menu is designed to help you handle unwanted emails. Depending on your Outlook layout, the option may appear clearly in the toolbar, and clicking it will open a small menu with additional choices. From that menu, click on Report and Block to confirm. This tells Outlook that you want to flag the message and also prevent that sender from continuing to contact you through your inbox. Once you choose this option, Outlook will apply the block and future emails from that sender should no longer arrive in the normal way. As a helpful tip, make sure you're blocking the correct sender before confirming, especially if the email looks similar to messages from legitimate contacts or mailing lists. Taking a second to verify the sender can help you avoid blocking someone by mistake. And that's all it takes. You go to your Outlook inbox, select the email using the checkbox, click Report from the top menu, and then choose Report and Block to finalize it. It's a fast and effective way to clean up your inbox and reduce unwanted email. If you need to block more than one sender, you can simply repeat the same process for each message. With just a few clicks, you can make your Outlook inbox feel much more organized and easier to manage.